In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Prezi for workshops. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just getting started, Prezi can be a dynamic and engaging tool to enhance your workshop delivery. Let's dive into the process of creating a visually striking and interactive Prezi presentation. First things first, you'll need to log into Prezi. Once you've logged in, go ahead and create a new presentation. Prezi offers a variety of features that let you move beyond traditional slide presentations, so take advantage of that as you explore the options. Now, the next step is to choose a template. Prezi has a range of collaborative and interactive templates specifically tailored for workshops. These templates are designed to facilitate interaction and engagement, making them ideal for a workshop setting. Look for something that matches the tone and style of your workshop content. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to add a main topic. This is where you'll input the workshop's title or theme. Think of this as the first impression of your session. It should be clear, inviting, and informative. This will set the stage for what participants can expect as they journey through your presentation. With your main topic in place, you'll want to create subtopics. These could include objectives, exercises, discussion points, and activities relevant to your workshop. Organizing your content into subtopics not only helps in structuring your presentation, but also keeps the participants focused and engaged throughout the session. Visuals are a powerful way to reinforce your message, so don't forget to insert visuals, icons, and diagrams. These elements can help illustrate concepts clearly and make your presentation more appealing. The visual components should complement your spoken content, offering additional context and aiding in the participants' understanding. In Prezi, one of the standout features is the ability to create zoom paths. Use zoom paths to guide participants step by step through the content. This can provide a smooth transition between topics, keeping the flow of the workshop logical and predictable, which is crucial for maintaining engagement. Interactive elements are a great way to encourage participation. Consider adding interactive elements or links for group activities. This could be anything from clicking a link to join a group discussion to an interactive poll or quiz. These elements can make the presentation more lively and help reinforce the concepts you're teaching. Finally, don't forget to include a summary or reflection section at the end of your presentation. This helps encapsulate the key points of your workshop and encourages participants to reflect on what they've learned. Summaries can also provide a space for participants to add their own notes or questions, fostering a sense of completeness and understanding. And that's how you design a Prezi for workshops. With these steps, you can create an engaging, interactive experience that leaves a lasting impression.